Hi there! Today I'll be making the Lego Fortnite flopper fish as well as the small fry using real Legos. Let's dive right in and start with the flopper. Okay, let's pause here for a second. When ordering parts for this video, I ran into a bit of an issue when it came to obtaining the round half jumper plate I needed. At the time of this recording, there are none for sale on BrickLink. The reason being that this is a fairly new piece in bright light orange. Currently the only set containing them is the Shadow and Knuckles brick heads bundle. Luckily, Shadow comes with 4 of them, so I ended up placing an order.
Sonic guy?
Nice!
There we have it. Now onto the small fry. They are super cute, but let's set up a nice scene to display them in. Afterwards, we'll do a quick showcase.
I drifted far, I was lost at sea. The shore was gone, it was nowhere to be seen. A diver sinking under waves where the sun's never been. To ocean green where shadows creep. And Bowie said I should wade in deep. An artist dying for his art to make you finally see. Is that a lighthouse with a dying light, or a reflection of my glowing eyes? Am I more than just a dream? I write my requiem from my ocean grave. I hit the bottom, I was tossed by waves. That sunken ship, my hiding place beyond the saving grace.
I love the turnout and would love to hear what you think as well. Please use code MyCat in the Fortnite item shop to support our small channel if you can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.